Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show how to create a learning plan to become an expert in 30 days to learn any skill. Okay, so we are going to use ChatGPT tool to create a learning plan to become an expert in any skill. It could be sales, marketing, Citrix, Microsoft, VMware, copywriting, you name it. Any skill we can become like an expert in 30 days. Now we are asking ChatGPT to create a plan for us. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a nice prompt. I'm going to type a nice prompt and we are going to get the answer from ChatGPT on this. Okay, so my prompt will be quite simple. I want to learn more about let's say I want to learn more about, let's say, copywriting. Okay, copywriting. Let's say I'm working in some marketing company and I would like to learn more about copywriting so that I can become a better writer. So I'm going to write a simple prompt. It is I want to learn more about copywriting. Give me a step by step plan on how to learn this skill. Okay, I want to learn about copywriting. Give me a step by step plan on how to learn this skill. Start with the basics with increasing difficulty. Okay, please remember that I am a complete beginner. Okay, this is my prompt. You can type your prompt according to your requirement. So I have written this in a very simple English. I want to learn more about copywriting. Give me a step-by-step plan. Okay, let's say give me a step-by-step 30 days plan. Okay, 30 days plan on how to learn this skill. Start with the basics with increasing difficulty. Please remember that I am a complete beginner. I'm going to hit enter now. Okay, it is giving all the details step by step. From day 1 to day 30. Perfect. So as a beginner, you can follow these instructions or steps to become an expert in 30 days. So it says week 1, learn about copywriting fundamentals. From day 1 to day 3, understand the basics. From day 4 to day 6, start crafting engaging headlines. Okay, on week 2, develop copywriting skills. On day 14, building social proof. So it is giving all the steps related to copywriting skill. Now, I don't know, I am a complete beginner. Now I would like to know about copywriting. I want to know about this. I want to learn about introduction to copywriting, what it is and why it is important. So what you can do is come down and you'd simply type, I would like to learn more about day 1. Okay, here it says day 1. What is day 1? Introduction to copywriting, what it is and why it is important. So what I'm going to do is I would like to learn more about day 1. If you have doubt, if you have any questions about day 30, you can simply type day 30. As I am a complete beginner, I would like to know about day 1 so that I can start from the basics. I'm going to hit enter. So this is the beauty, guys. So you are basically going in depth into each and every topic. It is not that you are just getting these details. You can dive deep into day 1, day 2, day 3 and you can understand these concepts which are inside day 3. Okay, now I am trying to explore day 1. So if you see day 1 now, what it is saying, Definition of copywriting. Understand what copywriting is. It is the art and science of writing persuasive and compelling text known as copy with the purpose of promoting a product, service, idea, or brand. What is the importance of copywriting? So it is so beautiful, guys. It is giving all the details about day one. So you can make a note of it on a piece of paper. You can start learning things easily. So it is giving key elements of effective copy. It should have clarity, it should have benefits, it should have emotion, it should have call to action, it should have target audience. Okay, now day one, you know the topics and you read everything and you are good with it. Now you would like to learn about, let's say, day two. What you can do is, please go in depth about day 2. Hit enter. Certainly on day 2 you will delve deeper into the various types of copywriting and their purposes. So it is exploring different types of copywriting: web copywriting, social media, email copywriting, advertising, content marketing, direct mail copywriting. So it is so good, guys. So you can go really deep. So if you want to go deep into web copywriting, okay, now you got the information about web copywriting, but you are interested to learn more about this topic. Now what you can do is, you can go further in depth into this topic. I would like to know more about web copywriting. Hit enter. If you see, guys, it is going to give all the details about web copy. Certainly web copywriting is a crucial skill in today's digital age as it involves creating content. So you are actually going deep into each and every topic. It's not that you are just creating a 30 days plan. Once you get the plan, you can use these days, okay, day 1, day 2, day 3 to day 30. If you want to go deep into day 1, you can go deep into day 1 topics. If you want to go deep into day 5, you can go. So it's like you are learning each and every step. Each and every day you are going deep into the topics, and you can learn each and every topic quite easily. You can make notes of these points, and you can use this for your business, or if you're attending some interview, you can read this information to attend the interview, and you can also use it for various reasons, for general knowledge as well. So this is the beauty of ChatGPT, guys. So it's like you are going in depth. So this is just an example about copywriting. Okay, let's say you are in tech industry. Okay, now let's go back to tech industry, because right now in my channel I have people from different businesses, different backgrounds. So I would like to give information about different types of topics. So let's go back to technical. I'm going to copy paste here. Instead of copywriting, I'm going to put it as cloud computing. Cloud computing. Let's make it more clear. I'm going to type AWS, Amazon Web Services. I want to learn more about AWS cloud computing. Give me a step-by-step plans on how to learn this skill. Start with basics with increasing difficulty. Let me hit enter. Let's see how it goes. It is going to give the output in a few seconds. See, guys, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 5, day 6, day 8, day 10. Creating EC2 instance, Elastic Compute Cloud EC2. See, Elastic Compute Cloud, VPC, Virtual Private Cloud. So these are all important services that you have in AWS: Relation Database, RDS, Lambda, VPC, subnetting, monitoring. So if you are a beginner to AWS, what you can do, you can simply follow this path, follow this plan. The first day, what you can do is you can learn what is cloud computing. Okay, on day 1, what it is recommending, it is asking us to learn about cloud computing, what it is and why it is important. Now you know what to learn in day 1. Now what you can do is you can go down and type, I would like to learn more about Day 1. Hit enter. Now it is going to talk about only day 1. So it says Introduction to Cloud Computing Basics, Advantages of Cloud Computing, Scalability, Cost Savings, Flexibility, Reliability, Innovation, and different types of cloud models, Infrastructure as a Service, PaaS, Platform as a Service, Software as a Service, Public Cloud, Private Cloud, Hybrid Cloud. It is helping you to give all the details for a beginner from day 1, and it is also explaining in simple terms, because we asked ChatGPT to, if you remember, we asked ChatGPT to please remember that I am a complete beginner. If you have given this sentence in ChatGPT tool, it is going to use very simple language for you to understand. So this is the beauty of ChatGPT, guys. Now you can take any topic in this world and you can follow the same pattern to go really in depth about your skill, and you can become expert in 30 days. If you want to become an expert in 30 days, you can simply type give me a step-by-step plan for 30 days or 60 days. It depends upon your requirement. But if your duration, if you want to bring the number of days down, if you want to make it like 30 days, if you want to learn the skill in just 30 days, you can use this prompt. So I have several prompts like this. So you can use these skills, you can use these prompts to gather a lot of information from ChatGPT to run your business or to learn a skill, to attend an interview, or you can do many other things with the help of these beautiful prompts. Okay, so I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.